Hi everybody, it's Judy and I with Living in Sarasota and Manatee. I was out running errands today and thought it might be a great opportunity to introduce you to the swim school. When you move here, there's pools and lakes and rivers in the beautiful bay, and inevitably you or your children are going to get invited to a pool party or out on a boat. And there's nothing more disappointed than missing out on that because you have a fear of the water. The swim school teaches kids as young as 6 months how to swim. They also teach and train people for competitive swimming. In addition, there's a school in Sarasota that teaches adults that have a fear of swimming called Miracle Swimming. So this facility is great. It's indoors. It's right in the heart of Parrish, so it's never affected by the weather. And it's a really nice, safe environment for you or your kids to learn to swim.